Okay, so this question is a selling price question, and the question states that Gray Limited is a one-product firm with material cost per unit of £50. Material cost per unit of £50. So mats are equal to £50, and labour cost per unit is £30. Labour is incurred at a rate of £15 per hour. So labour per hour is £15. And overheads are absorbed at a rate of £12 per hour. So overheads per hour equals £12. And Gray Limited marks up its product at the standard rate of 25%. So at the end, everything is marked up by 25%. So to work this out, we would need to find the total manufacturing cost, so TMC, and that is materials plus the labor cost plus overheads Now materials would be £50. The labour cost would be £30. And our overheads would be £24. Now, you might be wondering, it says overheads per hour is £12. So we know that if labour is £30 here, and labour costs £15 per hour, it must take 2 hours to produce the product. Therefore, overheads per hour is £12. So to produce one product, it would take 12 times by 2, which is 24. This leaves us with a total manufacturing cost of £104. And we mark up this price by 25%, so 104 times by 1.25, and it should give us an answer of £130, which would be C.